Hello everyone, this is the first video in static GK section. In this video, we will discuss books and authors and also editors of famous newspapers. This is an important video. Many questions are asked in various judiciary examinations. You will definitely get questions of books and authors from this video. So let's get started. The first is Annie Besant. Annie Besant is an editorial of New India. M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was an editor of Hind Swaraj. Gandhiji has written the book Hind Swaraj. Manubhai Gandhi has written the book Bapu, My Mother. India Wins Freedom. This is an important question and this has been asked in various examinations. India Wins Freedom. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Gita Rahasya. This is also one of the important question. Gita Rahasya was written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Aurobindo Ghosh. The Life Divine, The Idol of Human Unity, Essays on Gita. These books were written by Aurobindo Ghosh. Colonel James Todd, Annals and Antiquities of Rajasthan. Lala Lajpat Rai, Unhappy India. Durgesh Nandini, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. This is also an important question. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, editor of Kesari and Maratha. These two were newspapers published in Marathi as well as in English. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. This book was written by Dadabhai Naoroji. This has also been asked in various examinations, including UPPCSJ. The Man Who Divided India, written by Dr. Rafiq Zakaria. Freedom at Midnight, Larry Collins and Dominic Lepre. Runs and Ruins. This is the book of Sunil Gavaskar. Young India. This is in Mahatma Gandhi. Annie Besant, New India. This is already we have discussed this. Samachar Darpan, J.C. Marshman. Mirat ul Akhbar, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. This is also an important question. Indian Opinion, Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa. Indian Opinion was started by Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa. Valentine Shirol, Indian Unrest. Valentine Shirol is related to Bal Gangadhar Tilak. बाल गंगाधर इन्होंने फादर ऑफ इंडियन अनरेस्ट कहा था बाल गंगाधर तिलक को, और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने इनके ऊपर डिफेमेशन का केस किया था, बट वो हार जाते हैं. ये वही वैलेंटाइन शिरोल है. इन्होंने किताब लिखी थी इंडियन अनरेस्ट. सुभाष चंद्र बोस, इंपॉर्टेंट बुक इंडियन स्ट्रगल. सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी, अ नेशन इन मेकिंग. ताराचंद, हिस्ट्री ऑफ फ्रीडम मूवमेंट इन इंडिया. आनंद मठ, बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. हमारा जो नेशनल सॉन्ग है वंदे मातरम, वो इसी बुक से निकला है. आनंद मठ, बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी ने लिखी थी. परसेप्ट्स ऑफ जीसस, राजा राम मोहन रॉय. राजा राम मोहन रॉय को टाइटल अकबर सेकंड ने दिया था. अवर इंडियन मुसलमान्स, रिटन बाय W.W. हंटर. हिस्ट्री ऑफ फ्रीडम मूवमेंट इन बिहार, रिटन बाय K.K. दत्ता. V.D. सावरकर, द इंडियन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. R.C. Majumdar, द सिपॉय म्यूटनी एंड द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857. S.B. चौधरी, सिविल रिविलियंस. S.B. चौधरी, Civil Rebellions in the Indian Mutinies 1857 to 1859. Awadh in the Revolt of 1857-58, written by Rudraganshu Mukherjee. Tehzeeb ul Aflaq, written by Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Al Halal, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. This was the newspaper and Maulana Abul Kalam was the editor of this newspaper. Towards Struggle, Jayaprakash Narayan. Springing Tiger, Huge Toy. Springing Tiger is a biography of Subhash Chandra Bose. India Divided, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He wrote the book India Divided. American Witness to India's Partition, Philip Stablot. An Introduction to Dreamland, Bhagat Singh. This is an important book. Many people are not aware of this book. Why Am I an Atheist? That book was also written by Bhagat Singh. Bandi Jeevan, Shachidranand Sanyal. The Philosophy of Bomb, Bhagwati Charan Vohra. Why Am I an Atheist? That I was already discussed. It was written by Bhagat Singh. Dreamland, Lala Ramcharan Das. Annihilation of Caste, B.R. Ambedkar. This is one of the very important book and I recommend to you to read this book. This is a very important book written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Frank Morris, Jawaharlal Nehru, a biography. Louis Fisher has written the book The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. India from Cousin to Nehru and After, written by Durga Das. Guilty Men of India's Partition. This book was written by Ram Manohar Lohia. The Great Divide, H.V. Hudson. Glimpses of World History. This is a very important book written by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. This was an important book. Captive Lady, Michael Madhusudan Dutt. This is also an important book. Gora, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a Nobel laureate. He got the Nobel Prize in Literature. So the books related to Rabindranath Tagore was important. Gora was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The Broken Wing, Sarojini Naidu. Gitanjali, it was written in Bengali, written by Tagore. Gokhale, my political guru, Mahatma Gandhi. The political guru of Mahatma Gandhi was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. My Experiments with Truth, one of the most important book, Mahatma Gandhi. Terrorist, written by Dilip Mukherjee. Nation in Making, written by S.N. Banerjee. Living in Era, written by D.P. Mishra. Foundation of Indian Culture, this is an important book written by Shri Aurobindo Ghosh. Bahu Vivah is written by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar did a lot of social work in widow remarriage and for women's. Bailey Vivahar Das, written by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Deen Bandhu Mitra, this is also an important question. This has been asked in various examinations. Neel Darpan was a book written by Deen Bandhu Mitra. Devi Chandradani, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Chandrakanta Devki Nandan Khatri. Yes, Chandrakanta, 90s kids all knows the Chandrakanta was a TV serial which was used to come. This was the book written by Devki Nandan Khatri. Shatranj Ke Khiladi, Premchand. Amrita Lal Nagar, Wish or Amrit. Wish or Amrit was a book written by Amrita Lal Nagar. Sumitra Nandan Pant, Chidambara. Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Devdas. Devdas is also a movie which was based on the novel of Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Geet Govind, Jaydev. Bombay Chronicles, Sir Firoz Shah Mehta. Indu Parekh, M.G. Ranade. Indu Prakash, M.G. Ranade. Native Opinion, B.N. Mandalik. Indian Mirror, Devendra Nath Tagore. Karl Marx, Das Kapital, important book. Vanguard, M.N. Roy. This is also an important book, M.N. Roy, Vanguard. Satyarth Prakash, Dayanand Saraswati. This has been asked in various examinations. Satyarth Prakash, Dayanand Saraswati. Durgesh Nandini, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Durgesh Nandini, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Rajniti Ratnakar, written by Chandeshwar. Kissa Radha Kanhaiya, Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah was the Nawab of Lucknow. He wrote Kissa Radha Kanhaiya. Chetwani Ra Chaugatiya, written by Kesari Singh Bharhat. Bharat Durdasha, written by Bhartendu Harishchand. This is an important book. Bharat Durdasha, Bhartendu Harishchand. Andher Nagari, Chaupat Raja. This was also the same novel written by Bhartendu Harishchandra. Subramanyam Bharati was the poet of Tamil language. Bharat Bharti, Maithili Sharan Gupta, Rashtrakavi. Bharat Bharti was written by Maithili Sharan Gupta. He was also known as Rashtrakavi. Other books are his Panchavati, Saket, Yashodhara, Jaydar, Vad, etc. Ghasiram Kotwal. This book was written by Vijay Tendulkar. Play Nawab, Naveen Chandra Das. Towards a Struggle, Prison Diary. These books were written by Jayaprakash Narayan. Prison Diary and Towards a Struggle. This is an important question. A Passage to India, E.M. Foster. This has also been asked in various examinations. Passage to India, E.M. Foster. India's Struggle for Independence, Bipin Chandra. This is an important book for modern history. Indian National Movement, The Long-Term Dynamics, Bipin Chandra. This is also an important book of Bipin Chandra was historian. Out of Print, Newspaper Journalism and the Business News in the Digital Age, Professor George Brock. Mother India, Catherine Mayo. Memories of My Life and Time, Bipin Chandra Pal. Sadhana, Rabindranath Tagore. I have already told you about Rabindranath Tagore. He was the Nobel laureate. He got the Nobel Prize in Literature. The First Indian War of Independence, V.D. Savarkar. We have already discussed this. R.C. Majumdar wrote a book giving opinion about the revolt of 1857. R.C. Majumdar wrote The Sepoy Mutiny and the Revolt of 1857. S.B. Chandrahari, Civil Rebellion in the Indian Mutinies. Ashok Mehta, The Great Rebellion. Jhanda Geet, Jhanda Ucha Rahe Hamara, was written by Shyamlal Prasad Gupta, 1924. A Mere Watan Ke Logo, this song was written by Pradeep Ramchandra Narayan ji. Sare Jahan Se Acha, this is the famous song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. This was written by Muhammad Iqbal. मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, this song was also written by Muhammad Iqbal. Amar Sonar Bangla, this is also known as the national anthem of Bangladesh. Amar Sonar Bangla, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the person who has written the national anthem of two countries, India, Jan Gan Man, and Amar Sonar Bangla is the national anthem of Bangladesh. Kothaye Pabo Tere Gagan Har Kara, Jan Gan Man, Rabindranath Tagore. Golden Threshold, Sarojini Naidu, important book. Landmarks in Indian Constitutional and National Development, Gurmukh Nihal Singh. Editorial Congress Presidential Address, G.A. Netson. Discovery of India, this is one of the important books, Jawaharlal Nehru in Ahmednagar Fort Jail, 1942 to 1946. This was the book written by Jawaharlal Nehru in Ahmednagar Jail, 1940 to 46. Other books were Meri Kahani and Glimpses of World History. Freedom at Midnight, this book was written by Larry Collins and Dominic Lepre. Mountbatten and the Partition of India, same author, Larry Collins and Dominic Lepre. Journey Through Kingdom of Awadh was written by W.H. Sleeman. Ramesh Chandra Dutt has written the book The Economic History of India under British Rule. Ramesh Chandra R.C. Datta was the economist. He wrote the book The Economic History of India under British Rule. Indian Nationalism and the Early Congress was written by J.R. Maclean. B.N. Ganguly has written the book Indian Economic Thought, the 19th Century Perspectives. B.N. Ganguly. This book was also related to the economic events. Bipin Chandra, Economic History of India under the Early British Rule. Though Bipin Chandra was an historian, but this book was written from the economics point of view. Planned Economy for India, M. Vishvesharaya. Roots of Ancient India, W.A. Fersuris. India's Second Freedom, M.G. Devashyam. Priya Pravas, Ayodhya Prasad. Godan, Premchand. Eternal India, Indira Gandhi. This is an important book written by Indira Gandhi. Eternal India, written by Indira Gandhi. Shahnama, this is an important book asked in various examination, was written by Firdausi. Autobiography in Unknown India, Niraj C. Chaudhary. This is also an important book. India, A Wounded Citizen, written by V.S. Naipaul. Confession of a Lover, Mulk Raj Anand, very important book. The English Teacher, R.K. Narayan. Planning and the Poor, B.S. Minhans. The Problem of Far East, George N. Curzon. The Untold Story, General Brijmohan Kaul. The Alphabet, A Key to History of Mankind, David Deringer. The Proudest Day, India's Long Road to Independence, Anthony Reed and David Fisher. My Music, My Life was an autobiography of Pandit Ravi Shankar. My Music, My Life. Aadha Gaon, Rahi Masoom Raza. Radha was written by Sri Ramakant Rat. The Pilfer, written by Lakshman Gaikwad. Bhakti Itihas was written by Badal Sarkar. Sita Swayamvar was written by Vishnu Das Bhave. Yayati was written by Vishnu Shankar Khandekar. Giddha was written by Jabbar Patel. Shashi Tharoor, Show Business. Shashi Tharoor is also a famous writer. There are many books he has written by him, and he is the person who in books and authors category which comes, many questions comes from Shashi Tharoor's books. So Show Business is a book written by Shashi Tharoor. Amitav Ghosh, Circle of Reason. Anita Desai, Clear Light of Day. Ghar aur Adalat, Leela Seth. This is an important book written by Leela Seth. She was the judge. She was Justice Leela Seth. Jhopdi se Rashtrapati Bhavan tak, Mahendra Kulshresht. Imagining India, Nandan Nilekani. Journey through Babudan and Netaland, T.S.R. Subramaniam. Nirmala was the book written by Premchand. Uttar Machitiran was written by Bhavabhuti. Meghdoot Meghdootam Kumar Sambhav Ritu Sambhav was written by the work of Kalidas. These were all the plays written by Kalidas. This Kalidas is very important in from GS category or from books category. Please remember these three plays: Meghdootam, Kumar Sundaram, and Ritu Sambharam, written by Kalidas. Soj Vatan Premchand Malgudi Days is an important book written by R.K. Narayan. The Path to Power, Margaret Thatcher. The Pakistan Papers, Manishankar Iyer. The Future of NPT, Savita Pandey. The Golden Gate, Vikram Seth. This is also an important book. Lucknow Boy, Vinod Mehta. Silent Spring, Rachel Carson. The Satanic Verses, Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie is also important from exam point of view. 2 years, 8 months and 28 nights, Salman Rushdie. Namesake, Jhumpa Lahiri. Interpreter of Melodies, Jhumpa Lahiri. The Road Ahead, Bill Gates. This is the book of Bill Gates. It's important. The Road Ahead, Bill Gates. Mansehans, Amritlal Nagar. Chidambaram, Lokyatan, Yugwani, Pallav, Bharat Mata, Gram Vasini, Kal or Budha Chand, Chand Yavani, Kavi writer, Sumitra Nandan Pant. Diana, a Tribute, was written by Julia Delano. Madhushala, Madhubala and Madhukalash was the work of Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Bullet for Bullet, My Life as a Police Officer. This book was written by Julius Rebiro. Romancing with Life was an autobiography of Devanand. The Struggle of My Life, Nelson Mandela. This is an important book, The Struggle in My Life, Nelson Mandela. Important, most important. The Struggle and the Triumph, Lech Walesa. Friends and Foes, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This is also an important book. Rebirth, Lord Brezhnev. Price of Partition, Rafiq Zakaria. India 2020, APJ Abdul Kalam, People's Prime Minister. This is also an important book. Pathology of Corruption, S.S. Gill. Ulysses, James Joyce. W.C. Smith, Modern Islam in India. Khalid bin Sayyid, Pakistan, The Fortunate Face, 1857 to 1948, was written by Khalid bin Sayyid. Peter Hardy, The Muslims of British India. Moin Shakib, Khilafat to Partition. Atul Kohli, The Success of India's Democracy. Atul Kohli has written the book, The Success of India's Democracy. Granville Austin, he has written the book, Working of a Democratic Constitution, A History of the Indian Experience. In polity lectures, you will find this name, Granville Austin, and also in jurisprudence, you will find his name. Penderal Moon, Divide and Quit. Alan Gledhill wrote the book, The Republic of India, Development of its Laws and Constitution. Heart of India, Mark Tully. This is an important book by Mark Tully. Heart of India. Lajja, this is also an important book, written by Taslima Nasreen. Taslima Nasreen was a writer from Bangladesh. 1984 was a book written by George Orwell, play written by George Orwell. The God of Small Things, Arundhati Roy. This is also an important book of Arundhati Roy, The God of Small Things, Arundhati Roy. Mrigavati, written by Kutuban. Padmavat was the work of Malik Muhammad Jaisi. Madhumalati was written work of Manjhan. Indravati was written work of Noor Muhammad. An Equal Music, written by Vikram Seth. Bikhre Moti, Omadini, Seedhe Seedhe Chitra was the work of Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Naukar Ki Kameez was the work of Vinod Kumar Shukla. David Copperfield, written by Charles Dickens. This is an important book. The Proudest Day was written by Anthony Reed and David Fisher. Taslima Nasreen has also written the book. Amar Mein Bela, Vitol Hawaki. Half a Life was a book of V.S. Naipaul. Worshipping False God was a book of Arun Shourie. Gandhian Constitution of India was written by Sriman Narayan. The Republic of India, A. Gledhill. The White Umbrella was written by D. McInnes Brown. Kamaini was a work of Jaishankar Prasad. His other works were Aansu, Lohar, Ajashatru, Titli and Kankal. Kamaini, Jaishankar Prasad, important question. Geographical Factors in Indian History was written by K. M. Panikkar. Baiga was written by Verrier Elvin. Rangbhumi is an important work of Premchand. Sharat Chandra, Charitraheen, Shrikant, Shresh Pashma. Truth, Love and Little Malice. This is an important book of Khushwant Singh. New Dimension of India's Foreign Policy was written by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The Post-American World written by Fareed Zakaria. The Story of Integration of Indian State was the work of V.P. Menon. Ayodhya, December 1992 was written by former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. Paul Scott, Staying On, The Siege of Krishnamapur, James Jordan Farewell. Subah-e-Azadi was written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Himalayan Expedition was written by Elizabeth Hawley. In Custody was written by Anita Desai. Sea of Poppies, an important book written by Amitav Ghosh. The Argumentative India is one of the important books. Amartya Sen, he is also a Nobel laureate. He got the Nobel Prize in Economics. Unaccustomed Earth, Jhumpa Lahiri. Tabaqat-e-Akbari, Nizamuddin. Tabaqat-e-Nasiri, Minhazuddin bin Sirajuddin. Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi, Ziauddin Barni. Tariq-e-Yamni, Al-Utbi. Barack Obama has written the book The Audacity of Hope. Dreams from my father, of thee I sing, a letter to my daughters. Politics in India. This is an important book in Indian politics. It was written by Rajni Kothari. In the Line of Fire, it was the biography of Parvez Musharraf by Humayun Gauhar. Munshi Inshallah Khan, Udaybuddin Charit. Babu Devki Nandan Khatri, काजर की कोठरी. पंडित प्रताप नारायण मिश्रा, हाथी हमीर. जयशंकर प्रसाद, कंकाल. अंधा युग, धर्मवीर भारती, इंपॉर्टेंट बुक. सर्वोदय प्लान, जयप्रकाश नारायण. श्रीमन नारायण अग्रवाल, गांधीयन प्लान. सुनील गावस्कर, वन डे वंडर्स, सनी डेज, आइडल्स. लिविंग हिस्ट्री, हिलेरी क्लिंटन. was a book written by Hillary Clinton, Living History. Cricket, My Style was a work of Kapil Dev. Myth of Mahatma, Arthur Camp. The Struggle for Peace, Neville Chamberlain. The Struggle for Peace was a work of Neville Chamberlain. So thank you for watching entire video and giving your appreciation. Please follow us by subscribing us. Thank you so much. And please also appreciate our hard work. Around 239 questions from books and authors we have placed in this video. And many other videos we will discuss static GK. Thank you for watching.